Welcome to another CalRTA short tutorial. My name is Sue Breyer, and in this video, my goal is to share some information with those of you who don't use Google products and apps but are considering doing so, and to answer the question, why Google? So let's get started. One of the first questions you might ask is, how do I get on to Google? What do I need to start using it? Well, the first step is to create a Google account. And to do so, using your computer's search engine or browser, type in google.com. You will then see this image below here, and in the white rectangular box right here in the middle, simply type Create Google Account, and then press Enter. You'll be taken to a list of items that meet your search, and you should see one that says Create Your Google Account, as you see right down here. Click on this link, and you will see this next page pop up. Once you get to this page, you're going to enter your first name and your last name. And in this second area right here, although it's not required to access Google products, if you want to create a Gmail account, you need to create what we call a prefix or a domain name for your account, just like you did for any other email accounts you might have. If you're setting up an account for your CalRTA division, for instance, you may want to create one similar to this with CalRTA in it, the word division, and your division number here, and the ending at gmail.com is automatically added. If you'd rather not create a Gmail account to set up your Google account, that's fine. You can use your current email address instead, so you would click here. Go ahead and create a password using the directions down here as your guide. Type that password in again to confirm it, and then click the next button. Once your account is created and activated, you have access to a number of Google apps and products, only a few of which are listed here. Google Chrome is Google's search engine, similar to Yahoo, Safari, and Bing. Google Calendar is an easy-to-use app that allows you to schedule events and other details from outside invitations. Google Contacts allows you to organize all your email contacts into groups for easy access and speedy email blasts. Google Docs is a word processing app equivalent to Microsoft Word. Google Drive is the cloud where all your documents, slides, forms, photos, and Google Sheets are stored. Google Forms allows you to create surveys, invitations, RSVP forms, and scholarship and grant applications. And Gmail, of course, is your Google email account. And down at the bottom here, Google Duo is a free, simple video calling app that brings you face-to-face with others during a call, much like Apple's FaceTime app. Now, these are just a few of Google's 131 apps available to Google users. As you weigh the pros and cons of moving into the world of Google, perhaps understanding the benefits of Google will help you with that decision. Well, first of all, you can have multiple Gmail accounts, each with its own domain name or prefix. A personal account, a CalRTA division account, or accounts for other clubs or organizations that you might be involved with. Your product is automatically saved while you work. This is one of the best reasons to create products with Google Apps. How many of us have spent hours composing an important report or document and then accidentally pressed the wrong button on our keyboard, deleting the document and forcing us to start over from scratch? That doesn't happen with Google. This automatic save feature prevents these types of accidents. All of your work is saved to a cloud, not to a folder on your desktop that can be deleted or lost as a result of a virus or a computer crash. With cloud storage, you can access your document anywhere, anytime, on any device, simply by logging into your Google account. Google allows multiple people to collaborate on a document or project at the same time, saving precious time on large, lengthy projects and facilitating real-time interaction and collaboration. By the click of a button, you can share a document or other product with others and receive quick and timely feedback. And finally, Google Docs, forms, sheets, and slides can be easily shared by generating a link that can be added to flyers, emails, newsletters, websites, or even a Facebook post. Now that you know the many benefits of using Google apps and tools, where do you find them? Well, you can always go to google.com with your search engine, but once you have a Google account, you will find a box-shaped series of dots, which I have nicknamed the waffle, in the upper right-hand corner of your computer screen or your Gmail account page. Now, when you click on this waffle, a drop-down box, as you see here, will reveal a number of the most used apps for Google. You can even position these apps by dragging them and placing the ones you use most towards the top of the list. And if you don't see what you're looking for in that initial drop-down menu from the waffle, scroll down until you see a box that says More from Google. When you click on this button, you'll be taken to another page with helpful products for everyone. You scroll way down until you reach All Products and search the list until you find the app that you're looking for. And as I mentioned before, everything you create with Google is saved to the cloud. Your Google Docs, Sheets, Slides, Forms, and even Word documents are automatically saved to your drive when you click out of them. If items have been shared with you by somebody else, as you see up here, you can find them in Shared With Me files. To easily locate files that you've recently worked on, simply click on Recent on the left menu. Organizing your files is also made simple with easy to create folders, as you can see up here at the top. And if you're having difficulty finding a document or a file that you're looking for, up here in the Search in Drive, just type a keyword or two and Google will find it for you. So those are the Google basics, hopefully demystified for those of you who have never used Google products before. Thank you for joining me for another CalRTA short tutorial. I hope to see you soon.